shedding like my natural hair right now. Postpartum shedding right now. Like, I don't understand. This is the purpose of me getting the wig, because I didn't want to have to deal with this. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is April, aka A-Lynn Styles, and welcome back to Hair Tutorial Tuesday. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig, which is the Bobbi Boss Updo Revolution. This is one of their new wigs in their collection, and I got it in the color 1B. This is the stock card. So yes, it's called the Updo Revolution Natural Partial and Full Updos 13x2 hand-tied deep lace, 360 hand-tied lace perimeter with nape lace. Okay, so I guess you can pull this up in a ponytail. It says it is pre-plucked with a unique parting space. Okay, Bobbi Boss. Okay, so we're gonna see what she do, what she do, and what she do. So it does come in a few other varieties. This is called the Updo Revolution collection. This one in particular is called the Hazel. So this one is the Hazel from this collection. I also have the Eleanor, which I'll be reviewing next week, so stay tuned for that. But these are the other wigs that are in the collection if you're wanting to try. So I see that the Abigail, which is the long straight one, that one is very popular. It's been sold out everywhere. So if you got your hands on that one, kudos to you, mamas. But like I said, this one is the Hazel. So let's get into the video. Straight out of the package, this is what she's looking like. She's not a silky texture. She's like she has a light sheen to her. But right away out of the pack, as I'm running my fingers through it, y'all see? Shedding. So that might be a problem. Of course, for long wigs, you are going to experience shedding no matter where you go. And it's synthetic, of course. So what can we do? So this is how it's looking in the front. It has the parting, the ponytail, and the two bang pieces. Let's go ahead and pop her on. So she is giving a beachy waves, light waves, which I like. I like that. And there are two combs in the front and one in the back, as well as a drawstring. This is what the inside looks like. Like they said, it is a 360 lace. So that means you can pull it up in a ponytail if you like. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I installed the wig. I did not glue her down or spray her down, but I would probably just spray some Gots to Be spray around the perimeter and then tie it down. I normally don't glue my wigs down. Well, sometimes I glue them down, but for this wig, I would have just sprayed the perimeter with some Gots to Be spray. I am loving her. I love the style. She's soft. She is long. It doesn't say how long she is, but I can show you. So this is the length. She is stopping to the top of my butt. So hip length, I guess you would call that. So yeah, so she is hip length on me, and I am 5'4", so she is very long. She's giving a very cute. We have the 2 little bang pieces in the front, which is super adorable. I love the pony here. It's nice and full, but she is light, not heavy at all. And the only con that I have, which is a big one, I don't know if it was from me cutting the lace or what have you, but your girl sheds. I don't know. Hopefully this doesn't happen to you. I don't know. Maybe I cut too much deep into the wig once I was cutting the lace around the whole perimeter of the wig. Like I said, it is a 360 lace, so you can cut the back. It does have a few baby hairs in the back, so when you pull it up, you can go ahead and, you know, make it a little bit more natural looking. But sus, you shedding, boo. That's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair right there. Okay. But otherwise, I love the hair. I would try some different colors if you're up for it in this wig. Hopefully yours doesn't shed like mine. She is definitely versatile. So leave her up, take her down. This is giving me that girl vibes. Now this little part, you trying me right here. I don't know what's happening. So tell me what you guys think of this Bobbi Boss Updo Revolution collection. Do you plan on getting it? Do you plan on getting any other ones from this series? Josephine is very cute. She has more of a big wavy but big barrel curl look to her. Abigail, which is the straight one. Amelia is giving more of a body wave. And like I said, I do have Eleanor and I will be reviewing her in the next video. So stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.